What's up, everyone? Here we go. Final box, box number 3, SP Game Used 2009-2010 basketball. Brought to you by my boy, Greg Lambert from California Card Shark. Once again, stuff that I pull will be posted on my eBay site under my seller name $G-Spot $, and JT's Daddy is my YouTube ID. That's our box ID, and here we go. Pack 1 of 3. Ugh. Make that pack 1 of 6. Sorry, it's kind of late, and I'm trying to rush through this as fast as I can. Alright, we have a Carmelo Anthony base card. Triple jersey of Larry Hughes, Corey Maggette, and Josh Howard, numbered 18 of 299. Six jersey card of Kevin Durant, Brandon Roy, and Chris Paul, numbered 58 of 65. Other side is Emeka Okafor, LeBron James, and Mari Stoudemire. Our autograph is DeAndre Jordan, Jordan Legacy, and a base of Sean Marion. Pack number 2 of 6. Base card of Baron Davis. Dual jersey of Amari Stoudemire and Shaquille O'Neal, number 418 of 499. Triple jersey of Chauncey Billups, Gilbert Arenas, and Richard Hamilton, numbered 110 of 125. Decoy card, or autograph, dual autograph, Josh Boone and Ryan Anderson. Jordan Legacy, and a base card of Tim Duncan. Pack 3 of 6. Rookie card of Tyler Hansbrough, numbered 334 of 399. Dual patch card of Alexei Petrov and Javaris Crutenton. Oh, two nice jersey pieces, or patch pieces, but two crappy players. Looks nice. Wish they were better players though. And 4 jersey piece of CJ Miles, Kyle Korver, Paul Millsap, and Andre Karolinko, numbered to 199. It's number 34 of 199. Our autograph card is of Bobby Brown, again, and Jordan Legacy card, and a base card of Marc Gasol. Here we go. Pack 4 of 6. Carlos Boozer base. Double jersey of Kevin Garnett and Gilbert Arenas, number 70 of 155. Quad jersey of Mike Miller, Ben Gordon, Anton Jameson, and John Starks, numbered 71 of 199. We have an autograph jersey of Desmond Mason. excuse me, Jordan Legacy card, and base card of Jose Calderon. Alright. Let's save that one for last. Five of six. Base card of Al Horford. Quad jersey, 76 of 125. Nate Robinson, Quentin Richardson, Al Harrington, and Eddie Curry. Decoy card, autograph of Jared Bayless. Dual jersey, Jordan Formore and Kobe Bryant, number 4 of 155. Jordan Legacy card, base card of Bino Udrih. Excuse me. Final pack. Excuse me. Anyways, final pack. Base card of TJ Ford. Dual jersey of Dan Marley and Steve Nash. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Thanks for watching.